Hello everyone, happy Friday. You are watching the daily video for April 3rd, Friday, April 3rd. This one I'm going to try to make really short and quick. We're not going to do any math today. We're just going to take some time to regroup, go over questions, reflect a little bit on the week. So three things I want to talk about. First of all, your due dates and the grading thing, and then on your daily assignments, and then formatives and summatives and showing work. And then the last thing we're going to talk about real fast is Google Hangouts. So the first thing I wanted to clarify, all of your daily assignments have a due date of Friday at 2:15. So basically what that means is your daily assignments are not due until that Friday at the end of the school day. So I put that due date on there. Friday 2:15 is the end of the school week technically. The reason I did that is just to give you guys a little bit of flexibility in case you were having tech problems or Wi-Fi issues, or for whatever reason you just couldn't get to the assignment on that day. You still have the whole week to get stuff done. So for example, if you have not done the assignment from the 31st, the 1st, or the 2nd, you should still do those today because technically you have until Friday to get everything done. I wouldn't wait until Friday to do everything. I just wanted to give you a little bit of wiggle room, but just because you miss the day of the assignment, if you don't get it done that day, you can still go back and do it later. Don't just blow stuff off because you missed the day. They're technically not due until Friday. So if you haven't finished the assignments from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you should do those now. Today's assignment is a survey, just kind of about how the week has gone. So that one's going to be super important. I'm going to leave it up for a while just because I care about what you guys have to say. So just want to clarify the due dates on that stuff. Friday afternoon, I'll start kind of going through to check to see who has what done. I'm recording them in my nice grade book here, just kind of marking off yes, this person has done it, this person has not. So I haven't decided if I'm going to use the grade book on Google Classroom. That's why I've left everything with 0 points, just because Google Classroom, it wants you to assign points to everything, and we don't necessarily operate in that way. So I haven't decided exactly what. Just know that if you're turning in the daily assignments, you're getting credit for them in my grade book, so you're good to go. The math department has been talking a little bit about how we check your work, basically. So I know a couple people have brought this up already, but what it kind of sounds like is we might be moving towards, especially with formatives and summatives, taking a picture of your work and submitting a photo of your work with your assignments. That wouldn't necessarily be an everyday thing, but like I said, especially for, a formative, for example, we might end up requiring you to take a picture or somehow prove that you actually did the work with that. I'll keep you posted on that, but there is a question on today's survey that just asks if you would be able to do that. Do you have a phone or something that could take a picture of your notebook? And then you would just submit the photo with your daily assignment or with your formative or whatever it is. So be on the lookout for that. I haven't heard a lot about what we're gonna do with summatives or even your final exam. They're still talking about that. We've got some time before we get to an actual test for anything, so I'll keep you posted. The last thing really fast is just Google Hangouts. So it was really fun to see you guys on Wednesday. Did get a little bit rowdy and chaotic, so we're gonna move those to Zoom. I have a little bit more control as your teacher on Zoom. I can be the host and kind of control a little bit more what's going on in Zoom. So please just know that it feels weird because you're at home, but technically we should still be following school rules. If you wouldn't do something in my classroom in front of me, you probably shouldn't do it on Google Classroom or Google Hangouts or Zoom or whatever either. So just be respectful of what's going on. Yeah, don't do stupid things. The school will take away Google Hangout privileges from you also. It'll cut you off completely if you're doing stupid things with Google Hangouts. So just don't. Be mature. Also, just keep in mind, like, the hour-long office hours on Zoom really should be for math, or to check in or ask specific questions. It shouldn't really just be a place where we're like hanging out with your friends. If you want to hang out with your friends, like, do that on your own time. We had some really productive things happen on Wednesday. Helped a lot of people, like with a little whiteboard, and we were able to get math done. So I just want to make sure it's a productive space for people who actually need help with math or have real like school questions. So just be respectful of everyone's time. Love to see you, love to talk to you. And then if you want to do like a one-on-one or even like a small group, we can schedule that at a different time too. So if you miss the hour window, just send me an email, and we can set something up at a different time. Today's assignment, please do it. It's really, really important. It's just a survey. I care a lot about your opinion, especially as I'm building this online class. I've never done this before. So you guys are the ones that can tell me what's working and what's not. If you have any suggestions or comments or concerns or things are not working, now would be the time to let me know. So go take the survey, and you guys are free for the weekend from me anyway. Free to roam around your house as much as you want and not think about math. We'll pick back up on Monday. Otherwise, talk to you guys later. Have an awesome afternoon, night, day, I don't know, whatever time you're watching this. I miss you guys. Love you very much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.